Alright, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to do a complete walkthrough. If you don't have any content scraped or anything like that, that it's going to be start to finish. Here's how you do it. So, first thing you could see, I just threw on, this is irishclad something.net. So this is just like an Irish themed expired domain. I just threw a quick Irish looking theme on here. That's all I've done so far. This is the first time I've logged into the site, someone else's site. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, you're going to do all the cleanup. You're going to make it look pretty at some point, maybe. Or you're just going to throw a theme on it and go, which I do sometimes too. But the first thing the two first things that you want to make sure that you do is you go to settings and permalinks. You got to set your permalinks to post name, or it's going to jack up your internal linking, all that stuff. So just go to post name like you always do, probably. Hit save changes. Next thing you want to do, because this automatically interlinks between posts, you do not want this little guy here. Delete the hello world, or else you will get internal links back to the hello world. Then if you delete it, you'll have broken links on your site. So just don't worry about it. So the next thing that you want to do is, I've already uploaded it. I just uploaded it because I didn't want everyone seeing my license key and all that good stuff. But you just go to it, you upload it like any other WordPress plugin. You just upload it. It'll ask you for your license key. You go through that, and you do want to update it because this plugin is always being updated. We're always making small improvements to it, tweaking it as we go. It's badass now. It's going to get more badass later. So always update it, and then you're good to go. So let's go here. Trying to get to where it started. Yeah, get started. Your key is good. Thank you. Get started here. All right, first thing you want to do is add a category. So you're just going to group it, and you can do different content for different categories. So in the terms of like grouping your stuff together, you can kind of do an old school silo type thing. I usually just throw one or two on there. But if you're operating in a few different sub niches that are related to the overall theme of the site, by all means do that. It just takes longer to add multiple categories. So I'm gonna do weddings, because I think that's a pretty strong theme for this site. So we'll just do weddings. Hopefully I spelled that right. If not, sorry. Save category, and then we're going to add everything to weddings from here on out. So that's it for that. Next step. This is where you pull content. Now we're not going to use a content bank in this video. I'll do that in another video, so don't worry about that now. So we want to do videos, and we do 1 to 2. And then the cool thing is, if you don't have any content, you just want to throw this shit up, get it going as quickly as you can. You can scrape results from Bing, DuckDuckGo, stuff like that, and this will take the search results from the keyword that you're scraping, and it's gonna throw those in there. Google sees it as original content. It'll index, it'll rank, it'll fill out your site. This is pretty much the easiest way to develop content for your site. So let's go to English. Number of results, 2 to 3. I won't even randomize it. So pick our region here for DuckDuckGo. Number of results, we'll do 2 to 3 there. So go ahead and save changes. So all that's saved. Next step, add keywords. So the way that I get a keyword list is, all I did was I go out and find a competitor. I try and find as big of an authority site as I can in the niche. This one I was told was very, very spot on for the niche that we're going for. So they've got a ton of pages, organic keywords. They've got 33.2K. So you can go one of two ways here. One, you can go to top pages, which I've done here, and you can see, top keyword here. So this is the top pages that they're ranking for. So if you want something very on point, you download this and you grab it, and that's what I've done. Another thing you can do is go to organic keywords, see what they're ranking for. You're going to get a lot more broad terms here, which is fine if you don't mind doing that many pages. I have no preference. I like to do at least a couple hundred per PBN style site. But you're going to get more direct type terms from this. So that's why I went ahead and grabbed that. And you can see top keyword here. So this is what I'm going to copy into SERPx. Will be good enough. Go back over here. Add keywords. You want to add them to the correct category, and then paste that in here. Add keywords. This is just going to go in your keyword list then. Now, if you have a file that you want to upload, you can do that. It's just a text file you can put together and upload it here. You don't have to. I usually just do the add keywords. Now, if you're doing a local build, keep in mind that you can build out a local build. So if you want to do one keyword plus city state on every page, it'll be keyword plus city state 1, keyword plus city state 2, all the way down, just like other programs that are out there. You can do that as well. Just build it in Excel and go to town. You just merge the cells and that be it. So if you want to pull in local traffic, that's what you do. So we'll be done with this. Let's see, done. Go to the next step, step 4. Blend search results. Check if you want to mix the results from different sites. Yes, activated. I'm already activated. All right, this is how often on this page, this is how often you're going to post. So run, number of posts per run. So you're going to tell it how many runs per day you want to do, and then how many posts you want to do. So the total number of new posts that this plugin is going to make is this times this. So I typically do a few runs a day, maybe 2 or 3 at a time. So we'll just tell it to do, 3 runs with 2 a day. You can do 10 runs with one post per run, and it's going to post 10 a day. So it's just how fast you want it and what pace you want to put it out at. So if you want email notifications, you can throw that in here. I typically don't. Randomized posting time, I like to mix it up a little bit, and that's it. So we'll click Save Changes, see if there's anything in advanced settings we need to go over for this. Yes, so enable internal linking. You want that. This is what's going to interlink all of your different posts and stuff. So if you end up getting a link to your site, it'll bounce around between all the pages. It'll rank everything, and you're really going to see your rankings skyrocket from there, and your traffic when rankings come in. So we'll do between 3 and 4. So that'll be 3 and 4 internal links. Cross-link between SERPx sites, we won't do that for this video. Use external links, we won't do that for this video. I'll do another one. So that should get you going. That's how I like to set them up if I'm not using the content bank. But we'll save changes, and then you just wait. So I'll come back later, and we'll see posts that have been run on here. It shouldn't have anything right now because I deleted the hello world because I didn't want to click to it. Or to link to it. So that is it. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and you're up and running with your PBN. Boom, on to the next one. It's all about speed here, and building essentially the perfect backlink. So in the future videos, I'll get into some more of the advanced settings, and let's have some more fun with those. See you in the